Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only exciting but also highly lucrative: how to earn money with AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is transforming the way we live and work. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its potential to generate income. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, AI can help you earn money in various ways. Let's explore these opportunities in detail. 1. Automate repetitive tasks. AI can automate many repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more creative and high-paying work. For instance, AI-powered tools like chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer service, bookkeeping, and data entry. This not only improves efficiency but also allows you to scale your operations without hiring extra staff. 2. Generate passive income. AI can help you generate passive income through affiliate marketing, online advertising, and sponsored content. By leveraging AI-powered analytics and marketing tools, you can optimize your strategies, reach a wider audience, and increase your earnings. Tools like Google Analytics and AI-driven ad platforms can provide insights to fine-tune your campaigns for better performance. 3. Create and sell digital products. AI enables you to create and sell digital products such as books, online courses, and software. With AI-powered tools like language translation and content generation, you can produce high-quality products quickly and efficiently. Platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to reach a global audience with minimal effort. 4. Intelligent investing. AI can help you invest in stocks, real estate, and other assets more intelligently. AI-powered investment tools analyze market trends and data to provide insights, helping you make informed decisions and maximize your returns. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to manage your investment portfolio, ensuring optimal performance. 5. Offer high-demand services. As more companies adopt AI, the demand for AI experts is skyrocketing. Skills in data science, machine learning, and AI development are highly sought after. You can offer these services as a freelancer or start your own consulting firm. Online courses and certifications from platforms like Coursera and edX can help you build these skills. 6. Develop and sell AI-powered products. There's a huge market for AI-powered products such as chatbots, voice assistants, and predictive analytics tools. By developing these products, you can tap into a growing market. Platforms like Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud offer resources and tools to help you build and deploy AI solutions. 7. Freelancing platforms. AI can help you earn money through online freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. By offering AI-related services, you can attract high-paying clients and projects. Whether it's developing a custom AI solution or providing AI consultancy, these platforms connect you with clients looking for your expertise. 8. Participate in AI research and development. Another exciting way to earn money with AI is by participating in AI development and research projects. Contributing to open-source AI projects or participating in AI hackathons can earn you recognition, prizes, and even funding for your projects. Websites like Kaggle host competitions where you can showcase your skills and win cash prizes. 9. AI and content creation. AI tools like GPT-4, which I'm based on, can assist in creating content for blogs, videos, and social media. You can use AI to generate ideas, write scripts, and even edit videos, saving you time and enhancing the quality of your content. This can be particularly useful if you're a content creator or run a digital marketing agency. 10. AI for personal finance. AI-powered personal finance apps like Mint and Why and AB You Need a Budget can help you manage your finances better. These apps provide insights into your spending habits, suggest ways to save money, and help you invest wisely. By optimizing your personal finance with AI, you can save more and invest smarter, indirectly boosting your income. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Remember, the future of work is here and AI is at the forefront. Don't miss out on the opportunities AI has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Let me know in the comments which AI income opportunity you're most excited about.